Hello and welcome to Savvy Professor. In this video, I will show you how you can fix keyboard typing symbol instead of numbers. So the first method is you have to make sure that the shift key on your physical keyboard is not stuck. So let's say if the shift key is stuck on your physical keyboard, you have to make sure to unstuck it or press it again and again so that it can perform normally, because whenever you press shift this will unlock all the other digits as well in this case. So you have to make sure to go with this shift problem first time, and the second one is you have to make sure the sticky keys are disabled. You can simply search it on your windows, and once you are in, make sure that the keyboard shortcut for sticky keys are turned off. Once you are done, at the end you have to make sure that your driver of your keyboard is up to date. Open up device manager and go to this keyboards. Select this keyboard and tap on this update driver. Tap on search automatically for drivers, and if there is any driver available you have to simply install it. Right now, as you can see, the best driver for your device are already installed. So I don't need to do this. You have to simply install if there is any new driver available. This is how you can fix keyboard typing symbol instead of numbers.